What is up? It's and welcome back to another video tutorial. For this video, I'm going to show you how to make a trap beat from scratch that literally anyone can make, as long as you watch this video until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more contents like this. Also, check out our loop packs and more in the link down below. Without further ado, let's start the video. Make the tempo to 150 BPM. This is the golden range for trap beats. Next, have all the essential sounds. A pluck. A fat kick. 808. A closed hi-hat. A clap. An open hi-hat. A percussion hit. A brass stab. Let's make our trap melody using the pluck. Let's make something dark. Duplicate and add some variation in the end. Make a dark and bouncy top melody. Level the pluck. Remove unwanted frequencies. Add some reverb. Add some kicks. Next, we're going to add some 808s. Follow the bass line of your pluck melody. Mix the 808s for a more cleaner sound. Add some 2 steps close, hi-hats. Add claps. Add an open hi-hat for more bounce. Add a percussion hit to the drum pattern. Randomize the velocity of the hi-hats. Make variations on the hi-hats. Add some breaks to make your beat breathe. Continue to add some hi-hats variation. Try a 3-step pattern. Add some brass stabs. Follow the bass line of your pluck melody. Lay out your brass. EQ your brass. Add some reverb. Add sidechain. Sidechain prevents sounds from clashing with the kick. Structure your beat. A pro tip, listen to your beat fully and then identify your beat structure. Make the intro a bit different before all the elements kick in.